Hello everyone, I want to share with you a product I received from Yasukata. These are stainless steel cooking utensils here, a spatula, a ladle, and a skimmer. Now these things are 17 inches long. They have hooks, holes for hook where you can put them on a hook at the bottom. These are super duper heavy duty cooking utensils here. So now the main purpose for these is for cooking with a wok, but I live in the South in Louisiana, and we have a lot of people that like to do Cajun cooking, and what they do is they use these large iron pots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to surprise my neighbor. He likes to cook for us a lot, and I'm going to give him probably this large ladle and this skimmer here. And what he has is a big cast iron pot, and this would be just perfect for dipping out jambalaya or maybe some gumbo, or maybe stirring a big pot of crawfish that's boiling for us here in South Louisiana. So this is going to be great. So I'm not sure about this spatula yet. I may keep it for myself. I'm not sure yet. But if you like to do cooking, you know, the idea is over a hot flame with a wok. You know, the flame is coming up. So these are going to prevent you from getting burned. They're not going to, you know, the heat is not going to go through them and burn you. And so this is 17 inches long. This spatula, you can flip up to 11 pounds with it. So I mean, that's like, you got an 11-pound hamburger. Good grief, right? So from Yasukata, some heavy duty stainless steel cooking utensils here. If you're looking for something that's going to be really impressive and heavy duty from Yasukata, you might try these.